Hello everybody, I am Tejashree Mohan and welcome back to my channel, and for the people who are coming for the first time, welcome. So today we are here at Mangalore and this is one of the most beautiful parks in Mangalore. So I just wanted to show you this park, which is the Tanir Bavi Tree Park. So this park has a lot of fun options inside. Let's explore it. So this is the entrance. You have moonlight looking trees. And this is a small, what is that? Tree home, tree hut where you can just sit and chill. And then you have our friends waiting for us. Hello. Say hello. Okay, so basically this symbolizes all the different religions and asks humans to protect nature. Do not let deforestation is the message that is conveyed here. So our friends say hi. Yes, I will not let deforestation. Like near my home, if anybody is coming to cut trees and all, I'll not allow. Small contribution from your end. Now here you have list of all the things that are available inside the park. So let's check the list. So you have a watchtower and the information center, children's park, canteen, toilets, beach, Bhutakola scene, Kambala scene, Yakshagana scene, and the same thing is written in Kannada. So these scenes are all this Bhutakola, Kambala, these are all, I will show you, these are all like a cultural art of Mangalore. The entrance is like this. You feel like you're lost, you're out of the city and you're inside a jungle exploring the wildlife. It's really beautiful, you guys. Like, it's very peaceful. You also have the children's play area if you want to come here and have fun, and you have some foods and stuff inside. You can just sit and chill and eat. So this is a representation of a tribal form of people. I think we're not allowed to enter inside or go inside or touch the monuments, so that's why I am just showing you from here. I love their jewels and look at the makeup during that time. It's so distinct. Oh, there's a kiddo there. I cannot find their mom. Okay, she's a mom in the back. I hope so. And there's a big eagle in his hand. Voila. Here there is a full form of forest. Food, oxygen, drains, eco-balance, soil conservation and termite. So if you want all these things to be balanced, preserve your forest. Here you have a sitting area. You can just sit and chill. I hope you can see. One good tip from my side: if you're coming here, please apply Odomus and cream because so many mosquitoes are biting me. You feel like you are very far from the city, into the nature, in the woods. So here we have a Swamiji, a guru. I hope he's preparing medicines for corona. Ouch. Mosquito. Into the woods, into the woods. And in the end, you have a beautiful surprise. I will show you. Let's. Birds. So you can see all these birds are found here. Okay, let's see if we can find one today. Okay, so here you have a list of all the things that are available inside the park. Oh my yeah. Oh my yeah. But trust me, the destination is worth the walk. It's not very long. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes. And you feel like you're walking in the woods. How cool is that? Sunfest. Okay, let's just enter the information center. This is Salu Marada Timmaka, who planted 365 banyan trees. Hats off to you, Grandma. Hi. So let us enter. Now here you have all the information about all the kinds of, sea aquatic animals. I think it's closed inside, yeah. Otherwise, inside, see, you can see all the information here. Inside this, there were those equipments which used to show you, like, you could click on the buttons and it used to show you different types of birds and animals voices, how they chirp, how they bark, basically how they talk. And here, this is just a nice sitting area where you can just sit and pass time. And you have a small cafeteria if you want, like, starving and want to eat something, want to drink something. Oh god, this is cake, man. Cake is stuck inside. Staying for energy. Now this is a children's park. This is my favorite place in the park. A lot of things like swing, slide, seesaw. Oh god, stop. Let's do it. Like, share and subscribe. So this is you can consider this like, if you're doing a skit here, these are your audience. Or you can do a birthday party also. That also will be cool. Rahul, 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 Rahul. Okay, now let us explore other cultural art forms here. Energy. We have one of the cultural art form of Mangalore, which is Kambada. So it's famous, like Kadri Kambada, that Kambada, this Kambada. They do this one. Like, this is a competition. They tie the ropes to the corners like buffaloes and they race with it. Yeah, so now it's banned hitting. They only will catch it and run. So that's a good improvement. That is called Kambala. So the next one. This is very famous. Everyone must be knowing this when you think of Mangalore, which is Yakshagana. Yes. So I think most probably this is like Mahishasuramardini story. The demons look like that. Wow, how beautiful. Look at that jewelry, costume. You have to watch this art form at least once. This is a dance form, okay? You have to watch this at least once in your life because it depicts a story in the form of dance and a different kind of storytelling. Beautiful. Let's see the next one. Look at the surroundings. How beautiful, right? I wish I could take a 360-degree shot of this place, but unfortunately GoPro people are not sponsoring me. So maybe one day. So let's go. And also this is a very good place where you can come and celebrate birthdays. Like, a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people coming and celebrating birthdays here. Now this is called Bhutakola. This is actually not a dance form. This is a cultural celebration or a cultural thing that we do in Mangalore. Like, we worship a god and families go to them, pray, and whatever wishes they have, they pray for it and ask God to fulfill it. This is a very special form of puja we do, and it goes on in the whole night. It starts in the evening and until morning it will be there. This is the Right now there are people there clicking pictures. It's a very nice place to take pictures also. Check out my Instagram to see the pictures that I have clicked here. There's a washroom, and even here you have some snacks and cafeterias if you want to have ice cream or burgers and sandwiches. So that is it. This is the end of the the park area. And hi doggy, hi doggy, hi. Now we have reached the surprising place after all, into the woods action. Let me show you this. Dun dun! There's a beach with all the huts and a torch house. Like you can sit. See, you have like huts here where you can come with your friends and chill. You have this beautiful beach. This beach is called the Tanir Bavi Beach. This is beautiful in the evening times. Now it's very sunny and I forgot my cap also. This is the watchtower. You can sit there and chill. I am too tired to climb it now. So let's just go near the beach and come back. If you haven't seen my Padubidri beach vlog, check it out. I'll leave the link to that in my description box. Woohoo! Wow, look at the beach, you guys. This is my favorite part in Mangalore, the beaches. Say hi. That is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy and stay motivated, you guys. Peace.